Today in this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the ASOS return policy, including their rules for the UK, returns after 30 days, and how it works for all countries. Let's get started. Unwanted items, general rules. If you order something from ASOS and change your mind, you can return it, but only if it's in its original condition. That means unworn and used with tags still attached and in the original packaging. Trying something on is fine, but actually wearing it for long periods, damaging it, or returning it outside the time frame means ASOS won't refund you. Instead, they may send the item back, and you might have to cover delivery costs. Return time frames, country by country. Now, let's talk about return deadlines. UK and most countries, you have 28 days from delivery or collection to return your item. New Zealand, 28 days as well, but there's a return fee which will be deducted from your refund. Hong Kong and Singapore, same, 28 days with returns charge applied. Elsewhere, again 28 days, but usually you'll need to cover the shipping and any duty costs yourself. ASOS usually refunds you within 14 days of receiving your return item. But remember, after 28 days, unwanted items cannot be returned at all. Non-returnable items, hygiene rules. Some items cannot be returned unless faulty. These include face plus body products if opened, underwear and swimwear without hygiene seals, pierced jewelry with broken seals, face coverings once the seal is broken. This is to protect customer hygiene and safety. After 30 days. ASOS does not accept return for unwanted items after 30 days. If you try, the product will likely be sent back to you, and you'll need to cover delivery. Exchanges. ASOS does not offer direct exchanges. If you want a different size or color, you'll need to place a new order and return the unwanted one for a refund. Responsibility for returns. When returning an item, you're responsible for it until it reaches ASOS. So always pack it safely and get proof of postage. ASOS isn't responsible for items returned by mistake. Fair use policy. ASOS also has a fair use rule. If they notice unusual return activity, like wearing items and sending them back, ordering and returning very large quantities, or suspicious behavior, they can refuse your refund and even suspend your account. In serious cases, they can even take legal action if the returned items don't match what you ordered. So to sum it up, you have 28 days to return most ASOS items as long as they're in original condition. Some products like underwear, swimwear, or open beauty items can be returned for hygiene reasons. After 30 days, ASOS won't accept unwanted returns. And remember, no exchanges, only refunds. I hope this video made ASOS return policy clear for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates.